In this video, I will be teaching you on how you can trade futures on Binance in any restricted country in 2023. This will be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can access the futures function and be able to make leverage positions in order to trade and make more money from your capital. Now, as you can see, I am currently trading futures on my account. I'm going to make a position for a short right now just to prove to you that I am currently trading on an account. And as you can see, I can make positions on futures in a country that is restricted. Now, before I explain to you the tutorial on how to bypass Binance's ID verification and residency verification, it is very important for you guys to watch the video until the very end. And as well as this, if you do not currently have an account with Binance, it is very important to sign up using someone's affiliate link so you can be guaranteed to have lower fees on your trading account, just like me. I am currently an affiliate with Binance and it guarantees you 15% in reduction in fees with trading, and it will be down below in the comment section. So I highly advise you guys to use that affiliate link. You can use this as a thank you from you to me. Now let me begin with showing you guys how to bypass all of these steps. So first of all, we have to find out the criteria that Binance wants us to follow in order to be accessed futures on our account. And first of all, that will be finding a country that actually allows to be trading futures on within Binance's exchange. Now, I have found out that Belgium is actually allowed to trade futures on, and as you can see, my residential country on this very account is on Belgium. But you might ask me, well, hold on a minute. If you live in the UK, how have you managed to trade on Belgium account in Binance? This is impossible. Well, no, it's not. And if you guys also want to trade futures, and for instance, let's say you live in the USA or you live in Australia, wherever that is, you can trade with futures on a Belgium account if you wanted to do so. But there is a bit of a step-by-step tutorial that you need to follow in order to actually access this. Let me begin with actually showing you how to do so. First of all, if you want to change residency, you will have to head over to your account that you are currently on. And if you already haven't got an account, then you can do this when you've logged in anyways and created your account. Go ahead and head over to identification setting on your account. Now on my screen, you'll have something very similar. As you can see, it says verified plus proof of address update. Now, once every month, you can update your address. So if you just made your account this week or maybe 2 weeks ago, you might have to wait a little bit to update your residency address. But however, if you have a new account or if you have done this ages ago, then update your new address right here. Now, when you press that, you'll have a pop-up something like this that shows you to show proof of address. So as you can see, this account is saying United Kingdom, but for you, you want to change this to Belgium. Now, when you've changed that to Belgium, you now will have 3 more boxes to fill in, and that's going to be the residential address, postal code, and city. And you obviously do not live in Belgium, so you might be thinking, how do I actually do this if I don't have an address and I don't live there? Well, I'll be explaining to you right now how to do so. Now, go on to Google Chrome or whatever you guys use for internet browsing and head over to bestrandoms.com, random Belgium address. This will give you 6 random Belgium addresses that you can choose from. If you press it again one more time, it'll give you 6 more addresses. There's literally an unlimited amount of addresses you can choose from. And when you've chosen one address, you will have to just basically fill out this information into these boxes. So residential address, all you have to do is go back on here and put in the street, obviously, into this residential address. Postal code will be the zip code 1040 on this one. And then for the city, you type in Belgium or Brussels, sorry. So that's really it. It's really easy. It's probably a good idea to just copy and paste this and save it somewhere where you can keep, and then you'll be able to remember this in the future just in case anything happens. When you've done this and you have all the 3 boxes ticked in and you have an address that you picked, go ahead and press continue. Now, when you've done this, you'll have a pop-up of a proof of address request from Binance, meaning that you have to show evidence that you live in Belgium. Now, in order to do this, you'll have to show some sort of electricity bill, internet service bill, bank statement, bank reference letter, etc. You name it. And obviously you do not have this. So I'm about to show you now how to get one of these for completely free. Now, what you can currently see on your screen is a Belgium bank statement from the bank KBC, which is based in Belgium. And you might ask me, why do I need to see this, or why do I need to use it in order to bypass my request? Well, basically, Binance wants to see if you are actually living in Belgium. And I currently right here have a PDF which I can edit to my own name and my own address, etc., and edit all these settings here for my own liking to be able to send as a PDF to Binance and show proof that I live there. So what you are going to want to do is change all these names and all these addresses to the address settings that you put into your request. Now, the way that I bypass proof of address is by changing my own name to the name that I have, and then the address that I put into the settings I put right here, and also I change the statement period from the last 3 months. Obviously this is a little bit late, this is the 1st of the month, so that's January, so it will not be valid. It has to be within the last 3 months, so change this to the 10th or whatever it is, figure out of a month's period time, and maybe change some of these settings here to whatever you want. You don't have to, but it'd probably be a little bit more safer, because obviously if you have the change dates on here, these will also have to be changed, so double check that everything is correct. Now, a few questions the guys might ask me is, how do I edit this PDF? How do I access the PDF? And can I even do this on my device? Well, first of all, guys, listen very carefully. You need to have a PC in order to edit this PDF. Secondly, you are going to need Adobe Acrobat to edit this PDF file, or any sort of PDF editor. I'm not really too sure of any other softwares instead of Acrobat. And lastly, this PDF file will be linked down below in my Discord server. There'll be a dedicated channel just for the PDF file and how to do the steps step by step. And even if you're on mobile and you cannot actually physically do this yourself, I am willing to help you guys out on my Discord channel by you just creating a ticket, and I will be charging you guys a small fee and do all the steps for you so you can get verified for Binance with this statement. As I can understand, it's very frustrating for you guys to actually do this, so I am willing to do it all by myself. So if you haven't already, guys, the link is down below in the description to join my Discord. Go ahead and create a ticket if you guys need more help or if you want me to do it for you. Once you have done this, all you have to do is upload that exact PDF file onto there and then press continue. And then nextly, what you will have to do is upload an image of your ID. So that could be your ID card, your passport, your driver's license, whatever it is. Make sure that it is you and the name that obviously was on the papers. Go ahead and upload these images, and once you're done, press continue. Once you've done this, Binance might ask you to take a video selfie of your face to make sure that it actually is you doing it, just like this. There you go. You take the picture on the iPhone and then also put in your phone number. And once you've done this, you have literally finished all of the steps. And it should look something similar to this. As you can see, my address right now is on the Belgium country region, and I can trade futures right now because of this. So if you still need help and you cannot trade address and you're having some errors, make sure, guys, to join my Discord server where I will have some FAQs and also some direct help to get you bypassed in this stage. That's it for me today, guys. If you are new around here, please subscribe and post notifications, and it really would help, and like the video to boost out this algorithm to show more people how to bypass this method. And that's it for me, guys. Peace out.